What's up, guys? It's good to see you today. What are you doing right now? Whatever you're doing, let's stop what we're doing right now. Today, we are going to fill out the application to get 3 times the amount, 24 months of working capital for your business. You're waiting for the email. Wait no more. We're doing it right now. Because if you wait for the email, you're going to get the same thing that we're doing now. It's going to tell you the instruction. It's going to give you the instructions. That's all it is. The email is the instructions to fill out your EIDL 3 times reconsideration, basically a reconsideration loan. And I'm going to go ahead and fill this out step by step and show you how to fill it out step by step. Okay, first thing you're going to do is in the to section right here, you're going to write in there, you're going to write to, spell it exactly the way I spell it here. COVID, C, capital C, O-V-I-D, capital E-I-D-L, capital I, N-C-R-E-A-S-E, capital R, E-Q-U-E-S-T-S, at sba.gov. Now you come down to your subject line here, and in your subject line you're going to write exactly this: EIDL, capital EIDL, space, increase, space, request for, and then you're going to insert your 10-digit application number right here. So make sure you're going to go get that. Let's go get our application number. If you don't have it, go ahead and click pause in the video and get your application number, your 10-digit application number. Because I didn't say that earlier. And the subject line again is EIDL, capital I, increase, request for, and your 10-digit number. You're going to put it right there. Okay, great. That part's done. The next, I will also give you a, here, I'm going to move this over real quick so you can see it. Here are the instructions for you. If you don't see that, if that's not big enough, I'll try to expand it later. But here are the instructions. Send an email to that. Use subject line, EIDL increase, insert your 10-digit number. Be sure to include the body of your email. So that's what we've done right now. We've posted this into our heading, into the who we're sending the email to. Then our subject line was right here. This is what we put in with our 10-digit application number. Be sure to include the body of your email identifying information for your current loan, including your application number and loan number, your business name, your business address, your business owner's name, and your phone number. So do not include any financial documents or tax records with your initial request. You will receive follow-up information. So if they need any of that extra information, then they'll get back to you and ask you for it. But sometimes less is more. The less you send them has always been my pet peeve, to give them as little as you possibly can. Just give them what they ask for when they ask for it. We don't want to confuse anybody on the other end with more information than they need. Like if they look, you can send them something they don't need, they'd be like, oh, what's this? I mean, look, this doesn't seem right. You know what I mean? Just let's not say we did. Okay, I found my loan number here. So yeah, if you go back into your original disaster loan information letter that they sent you when you first applied, you should have gotten a disaster customer service SBA your original loan documentation. And on there, you're going to find your loan number. I'm going to show you this as a reference and your application number. I'm just going to copy and paste that. Okay, we got that. Now the business name, if you go back onto your paper, you can see I'm going to put business name. Now, whether that has to be the same name that's on your application and the same name that's on your bank account, mine are two different. I have this, my personal name is on my bank account and my business name not on my bank account, but I'm going to fill this out the way the SBA had given me the loan. Business address, business owner's name, and phone number. And that is how you do it. Application number. Here, application number. Loan number. Business name. Business address. Business owner's name. And phone number. And you're ready to send this out. Important, do not include any financial documents or tax records with your initial request. You'll receive a follow-up email notification if we need additional documents. And that's it. You've filled it out. You go ahead and send it, which I'm just doing right now. There. I sent my application out. And hopefully now you have too. Hopefully, guys, this helps. We have just filled out the application to get more money. There we go. Now we have to wait and see. And hopefully, you know, I just want my people who watch this channel to say, okay, we got in the front end of this, because money does run out. Problems do occur along the way. So we just want to be in front of the line, because if we go through any of this, we hope to, you know, get through this quickly and efficiently, and hopefully we have just done that today. Guys, thanks for watching. I hope this helps. Like and subscribe. Any questions or comments, leave them down below. And guys, have a blessed day. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye. Somebody say, hey, we want our 10K. Somebody give it to me. Somebody give it to me. Somebody. Yeah. Somebody say, hey, we want our 10K. Yeah. Hey, we want our 10K. Yeah. Hey, we want our 10K. Yeah. Hey, we want our 10K. Give it to me. Me and my friends, we like to play this game. Some call us annoying, but we think it's a shame. All find time to chat and go live and get with the House and Senate on the phone and on